Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your own tier list in 2023. Of course, creating your own tier list is a fun and interactive way to organize and rank items with your very own tier list. Whether like you're a gamer or a foodie, or you're just looking for a creative way to categorize things, creating a tier list can be great too. So, let's get started on how to create your own tier list in 2023 and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, of course, this first step in creating a tier list is to determine the categories you want to use. Think about the items or subjects you want to rank and create specific categories for them. For examples, if you're creating a gaming tier list, you might have categories like S minus tier or S plus tier or SSS tier, A minus, B tier, or something like that, and so on, of course. And then, of course, next you'll have to decide your ranking system. Determine the criteria that will place an item in a specific tier. This can be based on personal preferences, quality, popularity, or any other factors you find important. Remember, it's your tier list, so you have the flexibility to customize it according to your own preferences. And of course, there are various platforms and tools available that makes creating tier lists a breeze. One popular option is to use online tier list maker or generators. There are tools that can provide this, of course, ready-to-use templates where you can input your categories and items and generate a visually appealing tier list. Of course, some popular tier list makers include like the tier maker, tierlist.gg, and tierlist.com. Let's just go and explore them all. So go to your URL section and type tier maker, open a new tab, type tier list.gg, and the last one is going to be tierlist.com. And of course, let's just go to all of them. So as you can see, there are these three options. There's tiermaker.com, tierlist.com, and tierlist.com. So for you, you can go and check all of them if you want to. And of course, then go and create your own tier list on one of those. So whatever looks good for you or whatever you familiarize yourself with, the first you can go and start with. As an example, let's just go and use this one. Why not? So as an example, creating a tier list in this website, which looks for gaming, will help you, as an example, creating your tier list. If you're creating your tier list for League Champions, for heroes on this game, for Smites, for Genshin Impact, and a lot of other games here. Let's say, example, I'm just going to, or I would like to create a League Champion tier list. So simply click on League here, and as you can see, this will create the tier list for you. So simply you'll have to go and drag the champions that you want here, or you can even go and drag them back there. Of course, if you didn't like this, you can always go back and click on create here at the top right corner, which will create a new one for you. Of course, you can even go and sign in into your account, like if you want to go back into your account and find your tier list always saved. So, of course, as simple as that, as I showed you here, you can even go and upload even your new items by signing out or signing in. By signing in, you'll be able to even include another champion's example or items or images from you. So of course, this is the first option. There is this option of tierlist.com. So simply, we have here the game option, and as you can see, you can create tier list for games, as you can see again here. So let's say, as an example, I want to create a tier list for League of Legends again. And as you can see, we have here the tierlist.com of the champions. And of course, we will be able even to create our own tier list. And we'll be able to do that by this website also. So of course, we can always go and do whatever we want here by creating another tier list. I don't know, this one seems like, as you can see, giving up here the champions and etc. about League. So you can go as an example and try other things. So this is some like 4 popular tiers that people like used. Of course, You can always go and create your own if you don't want to use any of those. So simply just scroll down here to the bottom and create your, as an example, Elixir list. If you click on it, of course, this will open the same list. So for you can go and find out where you can create your own tier list from here. And let's just go and try the other one, which is the tier maker. So here, let's just go and click on make it template. Here, let's just choose one. I'm just going to name it tests and make your own template. And here the name of the template, again, I'm just going to put a text or test. And here I'm just going to put animals as an example. And here, of course, you'll have to go and select the template cover photo. As an example, I'm just going to choose this one. Why not? Of course, here you'll be able to choose files. So let me just choose these files. And even you can add any URL for image credits. Image orientation, I'm just going to let it square. Default row label, of course, you'll be able to change it. As you can see, there is here S, A, B, C, and D. You can change it if you want to. If you don't want to, you can let it as it is. And of course, as you can see, you must be logged in to create a new template. So simply, I'm just going to click on login. I'll be able to log in with my Twitter and my Google. I'm just going to log in with my Google as an example. Choose this account, and let's just wait for my account until it's logged in. Now I'll have to go and do that again. Should not take a lot of time. So I'm just going to, okay, I pressed on something by mistake. I don't want any of them. So I'm just going to name it test. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to do this. Chosen file should be this. Okay. And the default row label text, I'm just going to list it as it is and click on submit. Of course, so you must upload at least 5 images, not a problem. I'm just going to, I'll have to go and fill all of those manually again. So animals example, test again. The files should be this, and okay, I don't know why it's not selecting all of them again. So anyway, let me just go to pictures right here. Go and choose those. Oh, so this is the cover photo. Okay, my bad. So this is the file that I can choose as an example. I can even go and add some of my downloads here. Okay, so just select those and select those. So, okay, I can select them from one. So let's just click on submit. I guess I have 5. Yeah. So now I have 5. And as you can see, this is going to be my tier list. So I can simply go and drag them down to whatever I want. And as you can see, this is going to be my tier list. I can save it and download it right now. If I want to, by clicking on save and download, I can download the image, give it a title, add the description, or save it simply to my account. So I will be able to do whatever I want from here, and it's going to be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. That concludes our tutorial on how to create your own tier list in 2023. Whether it's for gaming, food, movies, or any other subjects, tier lists can be a fun and creative way to organize and rank items. So unleash your creativity and start making your own tier list today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, don't even mind sharing them. So thanks for watching and happy tier listing, and I'll see you in the next video.